Hello and welcome to another science lesson in which you will understand the main differences between acids and bases. An acid is any substance that in water tastes sour, changes blue litmus paper to red, and is corrosive or harmful in nature. In my previous video, you have all the uses, properties, and what is an acid. Please watch it and then you will understand this one better. So, some common acids are hydrochloric acid or HCl, nitric acid HNO3, tartaric acid or the milder acids, organic acid found in tamarind, and oxalic acid found in tomato. Coming to a base, it is any substance that in water is slippery to touch, tastes bitter, and changes the color of indicator. For example, red litmus paper turns blue in a base. Again, there is an entire video on bases which will help you understand these differences which I am going to address better. Common bases are sodium hydroxide or NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, and calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. The first distinguishing characteristic is that acids are sour to taste. Some of the foodstuffs that contain acids, and they are all sour. Whereas bases are bitter to taste. And these are few foodstuffs like nuts, soya bean, and legumes, which are basic in nature. Distinguishing characteristic is that acid molecules contain hydrogen ion as their main constituent. So when an acid is dissolved in water, it disassociates to form H plus or the hydrogen ion. Whereas bases contain hydroxide ion or OH as the main constituent. So bases dissolved in water give you OH negative. In an acid, blue litmus turns red. So if you put blue litmus paper into an acid, very clearly you can see the blue litmus paper turning red. Whereas red litmus paper turns blue in an acid. So when I put red blue litmus paper into an acid, you will find it turning blue. Exactly opposite characteristics. Acids react with metals to liberate hydrogen. So when you put any metal into an acid, the gas which comes out is hydrogen. And bases react with acids to neutralize their respective properties. That means when you add an acid and a base together, you get salt and water. So there are no properties of either acid or a base in a salt. Acids remain colorless when phenolphthalein is added to the solution. Another indicator which is colorless, that is called phenolphthalein. So when it is put in an acid, it remains colorless. Whereas when it is put in a base, it turns pink in color. So therefore, we understand that this will be a base when it turns pink in color. So these are some of the distinguishing characteristics, the main distinguishing characteristics between acids and bases. Some foodstuffs which contain strong acids, mild alkalis, and strong alkalis.